21st. State true or false. If the sum of a pair of opposite angles of a quadrilateral is 180 degrees, then the quadrilateral is cyclic. Now, what is a cyclic quadrilateral? It is a quadrilateral in which all the vertices, see this, A, B, C, D, lie on a single circle. That is the basic meaning of cyclic. So we have to check whether if the opposite angles are 180 degrees, then whether all the vertices lie on the circle, single circle. This proof is given over here. We'll explain it here. A, B, C. First consider these 3 points. These are non-collinear, means not in the straight line. So one circle will definitely pass through all these 3 points. Now what we have to check, whether this circle passes through the fourth point D also. So let's assume now that the fourth point D is not a cyclic, means it does not lie on that circle. So here let's assume D does not lie on C1, this circle C1. Now what we'll do, we'll construct a new point D dash which lies on this circle. Now what we have to prove, that this D and D dash are same. Now this ABCD dash is a cyclic quadrilateral. Now once it is a cyclic, it means what? Opposite angles are supplementary, that is 180 degrees. So BAC plus BD dash C equals to 180 degrees. But what is given? BAC plus BDC equals to 180. This is given to us. So what does it mean? It means that B dash C and BDC are one and the same. So keep this as 1. Now in triangle BD dash D, now this triangle, okay, what we have to prove? D and D dash are one and the same. BD dash equals to what? BD dash C equals to what? BD dash C equals to what? BD D dash plus D B D dash. How come? See here, for triangle BD D dash, this BD dash C is an exterior angle. Now what is exterior angle? This which is outside this triangle. Now what will be the measure of this BD dash C now? See here, if these 3 are 180, 1 BD dash D plus D dash DB plus DBD dash, these 3 are 180 because in the triangle. So these 3 are 180. Also this BD dash D plus BD dash C equals to 180 because that is supplementary. So in that what happens, this BD dash D is common. So what we can prove then? BD dash C equals to BD D dash plus DB D dash. So that proves, that is the exterior angle property actually. So BD dash C equals to what? BD D dash plus DB D dash. Now this BD D dash can be written as BDC. BD D dash and BDC, one and the same angle. So BD D dash C equals to BDC plus DB D dash. Now what is this BD dash C? But from 1 it is BDC. So instead of BD dash C we will write BDC. So BDC equals to BDC plus DBD dash. So BDC gets cancelled. See this, BDC gets cancelled. So what remains? DBD dash equals to 0. So DBD dash equals to 0 means what? When is the measure of any angle 0? When first and the last point of that angle are one and the same. So that means D dash and D coincide, they are one and the same. So our assumption that D dash and D are separate is wrong. So it proves that D dash and D are one and the same points. That further proves that A, B, C and D lie on the same circle. Hence the quadrilateral becomes cyclic. So it is true.